इधर तो जो है पूरी फॉल शुरू हो चुकी है।
Yeah. Really?
मतलब
But yeah, the leaves have fallen.
मतलब fall has started here.
Fall has fallen.
Yeah, fall has fallen.
Fallen.
It's fallen. Or it's beginning to fall. Most of the trees are still green. It's just like some of the trees have.
By fallen, I just mean कि पत्ता गिर गया.
हाँ, पहला पत्ता गिर गया.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know there's people staying in that house behind us. That's what we were hearing last night. Yeah. Look at that little hill type thing. दरख्तों से भरा हुआ है. Who went in the car with the? Did Yusuf and Anusha also go or?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I was just curious. Okay, who all went?
Okay.
So what did you do all morning?
I just went outside, had some coffee. Then when I came out, then you woke up, and then people started coming out. So.
No, because like first I woke up at 7 because that's when you first opened the door. Then I saw you going somewhere at like 8.
नहीं एक दिन वापस आई फिर मैं कॉफी बना के फिर घर पानी का नहीं
अच्छा. Because I woke up I think 3 or 4 times when you were like hustling about, pitter pattering about town.
You woke up every time I opened the door almost.
Almost every time you opened the door.
But it was amazing because like clockwork, you were like, my cycle is not complete, must go back to school. So that was pretty radical of you. I felt.
Yeah, I mean I could have woken up as well, but it's like because you were not saying anything, you were just smiling at me and then just walking away. So then I was like, okay, maybe she's just like doing her own thing, so I don't wanna interrupt her, so I'll just go back to sleep. Did 2 floors with basement, hot tub.
The house is just innocuously outside.
You just can't tell what they're gonna be like from the inside.
Yeah, like especially with this place that we're in, like the ceiling is so high.
Yeah.
But you can't just like be like, oh, the ceiling must be so high, this must be so grand. But like it's high enough that you can't be present like that.
Yeah. But it's like every house has its own specific kind of driveway. Where like some go downhill, some go uphill.
That is part of like how the road is curving.
Probably. Because like these two are uphill, then that one is downhill, then ours is uphill, then the one behind us is downhill. Like this walk would be so much beautiful during the fall time when all of the trees will have different colors.
What about the ones that have already? ये किधर हैं बेचारे?
ये वाले जो रोड पे आए हैं.
Curie. Madam Curie.
ये तो side vines है ना. I think some of these are poison ivy also, so don't touch them with your bare skins. Or else you might have to go straight to the hospital. But like this kind of a house type chalet with the ocean underneath would be the kind of place where I would buy a house.
With the ocean ocean.
Yeah, so like a chalet or so that you can hear the sounds of the water crash. Yeah, it looks like there's no like trail towards the water or something near our place. We'll have to drive down to a trail. I know.
What water? I have no idea where we are.
Oh, this is the road where we drove on. But it's just like a regular road. There's no like,
regular road with highs.
yeah, with heights. There's no like hiking trail
Yeah.
close to here. I know there's one like further down, which is like a, but I think that's like a little bit further down. Park and stuff.
Yeah, that would be like the place to be.
Yeah.
You know?
Let's go till that yellow basket and then we turn back. So that we have like a, you know, like a marker.
Kautian.
Exactly, a Kautian. No, that's those yellow baskets are for salt piles. So, for snow salts. हर जगह
कुछ नहीं होगा ना.
I don't know, let's see. I don't think कि कुछ होगा लेकिन use.
But then you know, like the fact that it's still here, like all summer, pretty cool.
Yeah. Because people come here during the winter also, no? Not a lot of people, it's like
Yeah, but
very
I
few
always
people.
wondered that they would just put them out there.
Yeah. Well, we can see what's inside there. If anything.
Skip a road later.
Yeah.
Bad behavior.
This is the smooth road that we drove on.
To play ball.
Yeah, this is the perfect weather to chest wall. Yeah, वो अरबी या ब्राजीलियन साउथ अमेरिकन कमेंटेटर हो ना. और वो अरबी वाले बोलेंगे या अल्लाह हबीबी या अल्लाह या अल्लाह. और वो अरबी में जो है चीखना शुरू हो जाएंगे, पता नहीं क्या क्या लफ्ज़ बोलते जाएंगे.
Yes.
Yes.